Before Islam, Arabia was lost in darkness. Tribes fought endlessly. Idols surrounded the Kaaba. The weak were oppressed, and the world waited for light. Then Allah sent His final messenger, Muhammad, peace be upon him. In the stillness of cave Hira, the angel Jibril alayhi salam descended with the command, Iqra, read. And with that single word, history changed forever. The Prophet called his people to worship only Allah, to abandon injustice, pride, and false gods. But the Quraysh resisted. They mocked him, tortured his followers, and plotted to end his mission. Yet faith cannot be silenced. Through patience and prayer, Islam spread heart to heart. When oppression grew unbearable, Allah commanded Hijrah, the migration to Medina. There, the believers built the first Islamic nation, a community of justice, peace, and unity. They faced battles at Badr, at Uhud, at Khandak, but victory came to those who obeyed Allah. Years later, the Prophet returned to Makkah, not as a conqueror, but as a mercy. He forgave his enemies and purified the Kaaba from idols. The light of Islam filled every corner of the land. In his final sermon, the Prophet reminded all humanity, no Arab is better than a non-Arab, and no white is better than a black, except by piety. From darkness to light, from ignorance to knowledge, from division to unity. This is Islam, a message for all mankind.